Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Introduction to Psychology Part 1 PSY 312 by your knowledge. Okay, till now in the chapter of the biological basis of behavior, we are supposed to discuss or complete the nervous system and the peripheral nervous system part of the nervous system. We have successfully completed the brain part of the central nervous system, and now in this video we will be discussing the spinal cord. So spinal cord is going to be, we will be doing a short discussion of spinal cord because this video is going to be short as compared to my previous videos, but indeed the definition is a bit long as compared to my previous videos and my previous definitions of the previous videos. Okay, let's start with the spinal cord. The definition is, the spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular structure made up of nervous tissues which extends from the medulla oblongata in the brainstem to the lumbar region of the vertebral column. Now, the spinal cord connects the brain to the rest of the body through the peripheral nervous system, and although the spinal cord looks like a cable from which the somatic nerves branch, it is a part of the central nervous system. And the spinal cord is the main path for the message of the information from the body to the brain and vice versa, and it connects the brain and the peripheral nervous system. Now, the peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves which pass information to and from the brain. The spinal cord is like a cable that is protected by bones called vertebrae, and it is located in the vertebral column, which is made up of 31 segments of the cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal vertebrae. Now, a pair of fibers exists from each of the segments of the spinal cord. The spinal nerves carry sensory and motor message to and from the spinal cord to the rest of the body. Now, apart from the spinal nerves, 12 pair of the cranial nerves connect to the spinal cord and the brain. Now, though most behavior is controlled by the brain, but the spinal cord produces reflexes. Now, these are simple autonomic behavior which the brain is not involved. For example, the knee-jerk, toe curl, or reflexively withdrawing a hand or foot to a shock, and so on. Now, these reflexes are important for survival. Physicians use as indicator of the working of the spinal nerve. Now, the spinal cord runs from the base of the brain to just below the level of the waist, and it houses bundles of axons that carry brain's command to peripheral nerves, and that relay sensations from the periphery of the body to the brain. Now, the spinal cord consists of gray and white matter. The dark gray color in the center of each segment represents gray matter, and nerve cell bodies are located in the gray matter, and surrounding the gray matter is white matter. This is where the axons of the spinal cord are located. Now, the functions of the spinal cord are related to information processing and control of reflexive information in the body. Now, many forms of paralysis result from spinal cord damage, a fact that underscores the critical role it plays in transmitting signals from the brain to the neurons that moves the body's muscle. Now, we have successfully completed and finished the part of the central nervous system, and in our next video we will start the peripheral nervous system, in which we will discuss the somatic nerves and autonomic nervous system in great detail. So if your concept is clear, you can like the video, and if not, you can ask us in the comment section and we will be happy to help you out. And if you want to stay notified for the upcoming videos, you can subscribe to our channel. You can click on the bell icon because we will be having a bit changes in the timetable of uploading the videos. But if we manage a perfect timetable, we will let you know. But till now, you can click on the bell icon because whenever I upload the video, you will be notified. You will get notification, and you can share the link of the video and channel with your friends and families because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.